During welding, issues such as spatter, porosity, or uneven welds are commonly encountered. These not only compromise quality, but also increase time and cost. BOBO Capillary Brazing Machine utilizes high-frequency induction heating, enabling precise control over temperature and brazing time for a more stable welding process. The solder joints are uniform, with no visible spatter or bubbles, ensuring reliable connections even for fine capillary tubes. Intelligent interface with one-touch start, preset parameters, and intuitive operation to help beginners get started quickly. Supports large-scale production with multiple devices operating in parallel, significantly increasing hourly welding output and reducing labor costs. Supports large-scale production with multiple devices operating in parallel, significantly increasing hourly welding output and reducing labor costs. BOBO equipment undergoes rigorous durability testing, maintaining stable performance during extended continuous operation. It adapts to diverse factory environments, withstanding high temperatures, humidity, and dust. Customer feedback indicates that production efficiency has increased, welding quality has stabilized, and the overall yield rate has also improved. Choose BOBO Capillary Brazing Machines for more precise, efficient, and stable brazing. Contact us now to learn more.